Locate the fixture position. Once you've located your fixture position, install bar hanger ends to the wooden joist by hammering in the 4 factory installed nails. Next, adjust the horizontal position of the junction box by sliding it along the bar hangers. Then lock the horizontal position by tightening the bar hanger screws in the center of the bar hanger on either side. To lock horizontal position, bend bar hanger holder with a flathead screwdriver. Repeat for other side. Your housing will now be aligned with the joists. If you need to adjust rotation, first remove the locking screw. Next, loosen the 2 red adjustment screws. The junction box rotates left and right and also slides forward and back. Once adjustment is made, tighten the red screws to lock the position. To return to the original position, line up the screw holes and replace the locking screw. Loosen the 2 wing nuts on the inside of the housing. Set the housing at the highest possible vertical position and then tighten them again. Route the wires through the junction box. Make sure that all electrical power to these wires are off. You're now ready to install the drywall. Once the drywall is installed, mark the drywall using the center point you recorded earlier. Then grab your rotary saw with the tracing bit attached. For a smoother cut, be sure to adjust your rotary bit to extend no more than 1/8 of an inch beyond the drywall. You're going to start at the center point that you've marked on your drywall and cut a straight line to the edge of the housing. Then stop cutting and jump to the outside of the housing. Take a second to locate the outside edge. Once you have, simply go ahead and follow it all the way around. Loosen the 2 wing nuts inside the junction box and adjust the vertical position. Make sure no part of the junction box sits below the drywall, even if the drywall itself is slightly uneven. Once it's flush with the ceiling, you can lock the vertical position by re-tightening the wing nuts. Pull the wires through the junction box. Once the wires are through, make your ground connection with the green wire. Install the hardwire adapter or pigtail to the electrical leads. This quick step will simplify module installation. Strip the wires and then fasten them with wire nuts. Install the 2 screws and retaining washers into the module flange. Attach the ground wire to the module. Connect the module's female connector to the hardwire male connector we installed in the junction box earlier. Place the module inside the junction box, aligning the screws in the module with the holes in the junction box bracket. Then, just screw the module to the junction box. Finally, to install the trim, align the trim onto the module and turn clockwise until it's secure. Once the trim is firmly attached to the module, push up until the trim is flush with the ceiling. Your fixture is now precisely aligned and perfectly square. Thanks for watching.